Every day is so wonderful. Suddenly, it's hard to breathe. Now and then, I get insecure for all the pain. I'm so ashamed. I am beautiful, no matter what they say. Words don't bring me down. I am beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can bring you down. So don't you bring me down today. All your friends, you're delirious, so consumed in all you're doing, trying hard to fill the emptiness. The piece is gone and the puzzle undone. That's the way it is. You are beautiful, no matter what they say. No matter what we do, no matter what they say, when the sun is shining through, then the clouds won't stay. And everywhere we go, the sun will always shine, but tomorrow will find a way. All the other times, we are beautiful, no matter what they say. Yes, words won't bring us down. Yeah. We are beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can bring us down. Oh no, so don't you bring me down today. Oh. Don't you bring me down today. Don't you bring me down today.